Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the camera timer on your iPhone 16e. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the camera app. Then we're going to go to the photo section, so take photos, and then we're going to either scroll up or use the arrow right here on the top to open up this menu right here, and then find this timer icon. Click on that, and here you have all of the timer options that you can select. So 3 seconds before taking a photo, 5 seconds before taking a photo, and 10. So I'm going to select 3 seconds, and now once I click on the button to take a photo, it's going to do a 3-second countdown before taking the photo. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.